When we commit to having a change in our lifestyle, we're not just talking about one day, we're not just talking about New Year's Day, we're talking about forever. Hello everyone, Happy New Year! Some of us are already creating our New Year's resolution, but actually I have stopped creating New Year's resolutions many years ago. Because for me, New Year's resolutions sometimes last only during the month of January, and sometimes we forget, right? So for me, it's more about having a new lifestyle, making changes to what I have in life, because that is what is lasting. For example, in 2017, my family and I went into this fitness journey. It wasn't a New Year's resolution. That was November of 2017. My youngest daughter and I signed up for the gym because we simply wanted to be healthy. We wanted to be mentally healthy. And because of that, we became physically fit. And then my eldest daughter joined in, and then after a few months, my husband. So you see, it's a commitment that we made in our lives. So when we commit to make a change in our lives, we're talking about a vision, a lifestyle, and our purpose. These are three very powerful words that have guided me through this day. As a mom, as a wife, as a homemaker, as a very busy person, I have kept these three in mind. No matter how busy, no matter how down, no matter how difficult things may be, they have kept me going. Number one, vision. I empower all of you, older women like myself. Let's have a vision, not just a New Year's resolution. For example, did you see that dress that you just liked at the store and you want to wear that dress? Visualize yourself wearing that dress, because that's going to trigger a lot of effort and hard work at your end. Or you want to be happy, you want to be free of pains, you want to be free of your back pains, your joint pains. Visualize yourself being able to move, being able to flex your body, your muscles without pain. Visualize yourself just thinking about good things, being motivated, being encouraged to wake up early. You know, waking up early shouldn't be a goal. It should be a habit. And it's not just waking up early per se, because when we wake up early, we actually are able to achieve more, especially when the world is still asleep. And that brings me to another word, passion. Passion is something that burns within your heart. It's something that you love to do. It's something that when I am creating or when I'm so focused, I am oblivious to the world, because I just enjoy the moment. And because I enjoy the moment, I actually practice mindfulness. After my daughter went into anxiety, went into depression in 2017, I realized how important mindfulness is. I realized how important mental health is. But see, we can cope with anxiety. We can live a mentally healthy life. And number one is finding something that you like to do. Focus on that and enjoy that moment. When we try to do a change in our lifestyle, we want to be able to sustain it. And I'm going to go back to the topic on fitness that my family and I have adopted. For us, being fit doesn't mean spending on supplements. It's more about planning our meals, making sure that we eat healthy, and never ignoring the fact that exercise or physical activity is really important. It's not about losing weight. Physical activity is about staying mentally fit, because it brings our happy vibes. You know, when I exercise, I have such a happy mood. When I dance, when I do cardio workouts, it brings so much positivity around me that I want to keep going. Sometimes I don't even want to stop dancing or working out. It's an energy that powers me to keep going. I've had so many people asking me, what are you taking? Because I want to have that. I'm not taking anything. I am just enthusiastic about what I am doing. It's just that I have so much zest for life, and I want to share this with you. I want to empower everyone. Even when we are hurting, even when we are aching, even when we are busy, there should always be a moment for us to take care of ourselves and tell ourselves that, look, I deserve to be happy. I deserve this moment in my life because I want to stay healthy. So I'm calling every older woman like me, aging is a beautiful process if we know what to do. We are ready to face every year down the road with positivity and a commitment to be better than we were yesterday. Nothing should stop us from being able to achieve. Nothing should stop us from aiming to be better than we were. No one gets to the top of the mountain without climbing. And sometimes climbing can be really, really tough. There will be rocks along the way. There will be fallen trees. We climb anyway because we have a goal. So keep in mind, we all have to have a purpose. We have to be willing to change our lifestyle for that purpose. We have to commit to that purpose. And we have to sustain the new lifestyle because all these three will make our dreams possible. So let's promise ourselves to be kind to ourselves. Let's give ourselves a pat on the back. Every step we take towards improvement is an accomplishment. We deserve to clap for ourselves and tell ourselves, congratulations, you did a good job. And you know what? If we can inspire ourselves, then we can inspire other people. That's our goal. We need to empower one another. We need to support one another. We rise by lifting each other up because there are already so many negative things around us. We want to be different. We want to give that breath of fresh air. We want to be a beacon of light for so many who are in the dark, because sometimes when you're in a very, very dark place, a little glimmer of light is already such a huge source of hope. Let us make that change in our life. Not just a New Year's Day, not a New Year's resolution, but a commitment to be an inspiration for ourselves and for others. Happy New Year, everyone!